this is Missey Grace. How you doing? Today we're going to talk about milk that is no longer milk. How's that? When you go to the supermarket, you will see a whole range of milk there. Not only just the dairy milk, right? Cow's milk, goat's milk, that sort of thing. But now you will see a whole range of plant-based milk that's manufactured water-based plant extracts, right? So you can get coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, hemp milk, peanut milk, pea milk. There are so many that you can choose from. It's just heaven for vegetarian or vegan. Now, some people will say, all right, but all these plant-based milk, don't you think that they have something lacking from dairy milk? I don't think so. You're not missing out at all. Just take a closer look at the label. Plant-based milk will fortify with minerals and vitamins in there, so you're not going to missing out on vitamin A, vitamin D, or they will already have plenty of protein and potassium and calcium. Don't worry, you're not missing out at all. For people that's suffering from the lactose intolerance or for health reasons, they can't drink dairy milk anymore. And if they don't have any allergy to nuts or grains, they have a lot of choices. Plant-based milk are actually quite common these days, and you can be quite safe to consume them. If you make homemade nut drinks, there's an incentive to it too. Why? Because not only you can drink the plant-based milk, say for example, if you do almond milk at home, you can actually make the residual from the blend nuts into almond butter, or you can use the ground nuts in the baking, in the cooking, or put it in the soup, put it in the cakes, put it in the biscuits. How wonderful is that? You can do a lot of things with the plant-based nuts and grains. So enjoy that. Until next time, be well, be happy. This is Missey Grace.